Hi students, we are back with our series where we talk about what you need to do once you land in the UK as a student. One of the most important aspects for your financial well-being is to find part-time jobs. As a student, you're allowed to work 20 hours a week. We highly recommend that you should work 20 hours a week, not just for the money, but also for the kind of exposure you will get if you work part-time. So how do you look for part-time jobs? I think the first and the easiest source of getting part-time jobs is your university. There are various positions on offer at the university like campus ambassadors, library assistant, research assistant. So look for part-time jobs which would typically be posted on the career portal of the university, and look for jobs within the university itself. Apart from that, register yourself at the Job Centre Plus, which is the government-run job agency of UK, which has a lot of part-time jobs available in the locality which you are living in. So every locality would have a Job Centre Plus located there. Apart from that, there are various agencies that you can register yourself with, which normally recruit casual labor for places like cricket stadiums, football stadiums, arenas, right? So register yourself with these agencies. They will reach out to you whenever they need waiting staff, steward staff, so you could get those kind of jobs. Coffee shops, retail stores are a great source for part-time work, so you could go onto the high streets and just throw in your CV at various places where you see there's possibly a vacancy. So yeah, these are some of the quick tips for working part-time. Hope you find a part-time job very easily. Thank you.